Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can do functions and formulas at query level. Now the one I'm going to do first of all is called DateDiff. It's going to allow me to do a query and show the difference between two dates. Then I'm going to use the immediate if function, yyyy, and I'm going to do it on the customers table in this database. So let's have a look at that. If I open this, you've got a date join field, which I'm going to use, and the now function, which is today's date, to work out how long this customer or a particular customer has been with the company. Let's do that one first. Close that down. So you create query design, add that table. Now I don't want all the fields, I just want company and date joined. Those two fields. If I run that, so the extra column I'm going to do is going to be here, and it's going to tell me how many years, if there's more than 1 year, that these companies have been with us. I'm clicking it to the top of the next column. I'm doing Shift F2 to get myself zoomed up. And you need to do a title, and the title I'm going to do is going to be years, and then you have to do a colon. So now I need the function that I'm going to use, which is DateDiff. So DateDiff, open a normal bracket. Now, whatever you want it to return, days, months, years, you need to put in quotes. Now, I want years, so I'm opening quotes, 1, 2, 3, 4 years, 4 Ys, close quotes. Then I want the date joined field in square brackets, date joined, close square brackets, comma, and then the now function. So the difference in years between the date joined and the now function, which is basically today's date. After the now function, which has an open and close bracket like that, you need to close the DateDiff bracket at the end. So there's 2 brackets at the end. Then you click OK, and you check it. Run the query. Most of these companies have joined this year, so they're all 2024, but these ones, 26 years and 24 years, have been with us quite a while. What I want to do now is use an if function, immediate if function, yyyf function, to say if anybody's been with us for more than 25 years, they get a present. Otherwise, they don't. So let's do that one. Back into design. Next column across. Shift F2 to zoom up. The title for this one is going to be status colon. So with an if statement, you have 3 elements. You have a test, then there's a comma, what to do if that test is true, then another comma, what to do if that test is false. So I'll do yyyf, open the bracket, that's it. So the test is going to be is if years is greater than, years needs to be in square brackets, if years is greater than 25, that's the test, comma, if that's true, in quotes, so I'm doing text, present due, close quotes, that's what's going to happen if it's true, that's what it's going to display, comma, if it's not true, in quotes, no present, close quotes, close the immediate if bracket, like that, no present, present due. Now let's have a look at that one, click OK to that, run the query. So present due, everything else is no present, but this one obviously in a couple of years is going to get, or a year is going to get a present. So those 2 functions you can also do at form level, and you can also do them at report level. But this is at query level, and there are many more functions that you can use. But that's all I want to look at this little session, how to do the date difference function and how to do the immediate if function. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.